Do you have any idea why my lips always end up patchy with the magnum needle?
I literally love this question. So when we work with magnum needles, what I notice what other artists do is that they work on a pretty high speed. So what happens, 5 needles pointing in the same time into the skin obviously saturate much quicker than a 1 needle. And therefore, if you work with like really high speed, then you may not control how saturation happens. So that's number 1. Number 2 is your stretch, right? So if you don't stretch flat enough, then the needles, some needles are going to go deeper in the skin than others. So that can happen as well. So make sure that you put that cotton underneath on the lips. And number 3 would be choosing a round magnum over a flat magnum, because flat magnums will not perform as good as round magnums on the lips. So try to maybe tweak those things and let me know how it works.